So I'm going to show you how to change a couple of different settings. We'll concentrate on the chemical settings because these are the ones that most people seem to ring up wanting advice on how to change them. It's very easy again. Notice the settings are on the back of the door. Chemical 1, which is top pump, is 5, macro 5, chemical 2 is macro 6. So we need to go into the controller and find macro 5, macro 6. So again, we've got the home screen, number of cows counted. Press escape and OK together. Comes up with a menu. Move the cursor down to parameter. Press OK and it comes into this first setting. The first setting being the cow counts, macro 1. So now we've got the cursor flashing on the 3 zeros in the top corner. Press OK so that 3 zeros flash, and then scroll up until you get to the macro that you want to change. So we just said that we want to change macro 5 and macro 6. So scroll up till it says macro 5, press OK, and then it comes up with a timer, and this is the time in seconds that the chemical pump is running for. So we set it at 150. As a rule of thumb, normally 100 seconds is 1% of chemical, but depends on the size of the bath, depends on different things, that can be worked out. But if we move down to 150 now, press OK, so that the numbers are flashing rather than the cursor flashing, and then you can alter that chemical rate up. So I'm going to set this at 200 seconds. And say you keep your finger on the button, it goes faster. So just take it off every now and again so it doesn't go whizzing past. Get it to 200. Press OK. So that the cursor's flashing and that's accepted it. If we wanted to go to change macro 6 now, move the cursor back up to the top 3 zeros. When the cursor is on the right place, press OK so that the 3 zeros are flashing and you can move up to macro 6. Press OK again, and this is the setting 250, which is already in the system. 250 seconds. Again, that will do about 2.5 to 3% depending on the size of the bath. If you want to change that, press OK and then scroll down to whatever you want to change it out. So set that at 200 as well. Once you've set it, press OK so the cursor's flashing, and then just to get back to the home screen, press escape a couple of times, it goes back to the cow count.